Okay, so what we're going to do now is a common whipping. Okay, we whip the end of a line to stop it from opening up or fraying. Okay, a common whipping, we're going to use some whipping twine, and what we're going to do is we're just going to put a bight or a loop into the line, and we put the loop towards the top end of the line that we want to whip. Okay. Now with this line, you can see the line, the lay of the rope, the twist is going this way. Okay, because it's going that way, when we start doing our winds for our whipping, we are going to go the opposite direction. So I'm going to start my whipping this way, going around the bight that I'd made with the whipping twine and the line. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it nice and tight, wrapping nice next to each other. And when I've got 3 or 4, what I want to do is just kind of grab the bight, and what I can do is just pull in on the one side. See how it's just taking out all that extra. Oh, make sure you don't lose that one. Just to snug it up nicely. Okay, then I keep going, and I want to keep these nice and tight. And I want to go to 1 to 1.5 times the diameter of the line that you are whipping. Okay, so once we've finished doing our wraps, what we want to do is take the tail end and just put it through the loop. So we can just feed it through there like that. Okay, then we take the other end and we pull it and cinch it down, and what it should do is just take the, okay, we've got it to the end there, and what we want to do now is just keep pulling this end here until that gets down to about halfway through the, I don't know if you can see very well with my fingers. Right now it's there. What we want to do is take it to about halfway, just by pulling it. There we go. So we pulled it down to about halfway. Then we can just take both ends, give them a nice tug, and we have a common whipping. So we just cut off the loose ends, and there we have a common whipping.